Nora, do you like having tummy time right now? Yeah? I should make a video. Hello? We got new phones last night. Oh my gosh, it's not even July. It's still June. I already uploaded the June video. I'll just put this in anyways. July's tomorrow. I uploaded the June video last night. Anyways, we're going on a date. A date! I put on mascara and I am wearing a dress. It has pockets. Naomi is watching our child. This is the first time that we have both been somewhere together without her.
Yes.
I left her with Melissa once so I could go to a doctor's appointment, but this is the first time that we've both been together without her. But I go back to work next week, so I said we should go on a date. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go to the pasta company and get some pasta. Happy 4th of July! That was awesome. Kyle is working, so we didn't do anything today for the 4th of July. However, we are going to dinner. Not at the Roadhouse as per usual tradition because it's closed. But while he was sleeping, I got together with some friends and we watched Hamilton, and it was awesome. And now we're gonna go to dinner. We're driving the baby. I love this stroller. It's great. It's awesome. Today was my first day back at work. It was good. Nora did good. Nora cried, but I just put her on the ground and said, "Forget you, kid." Just kidding. I didn't say that. So we're going on a walk. I haven't been filming as much things for YouTube because I've been filming things for Instagram, which is okay. I just have to remember to share my life with the YouTube. My makeup makes it look like I have dark circles under my eyes. Oh, I do. Anyways, you do too? We need some no more baggage. Oh, this is awful.
Are you kidding? I work graveyard. Of course I have bags under my eyes.
Yeah, so this is Kyle's weekend. My first week back at work. Cool. We're having a great time though. Going on a walk. Good morning, Nora. Good morning. Hi. Not quite sure about it.
I'm realizing that I barely filmed anything for the YouTube video this month. Nothing. It's the 15th. Here's why. Because I started a blog last month and I'm on Instagram as a component of that. I've been filming things for Instagram and not for YouTube. But here's what's going on. Nora's 3 months old. I'm back to work. It's going well. Tonight we're helping Naomi move. This weekend we're going to Spokane. Next weekend we're going to Idaho. That's what's going on. Hey, you guys. I've never been in an automatic car wash before. This moment right now. You guys! It's coming. It's washing the car. I've never done this before. It's coming. It stopped. It's coming.
so clean. Scrubbing all this soap away. This is fun. Nora's sleeping, and we left her with James and Savannah.
We don't know that she's sleeping.
Well,
She could be
she's probably sleeping. Savannah didn't text me. She's probably sleeping, and she's not at James and Savannah's. James and Savannah's are at our place while she's sleeping, so that we can help Naomi move. But we're also getting a car wash and Slurpees, like a fun date. It's coming back. It's coming back. Oh, it's blowing water. It's rinsing it off. It's coming. It's scary. That's a lot of water. Whoa. So, we are in Idaho at the cutest little Airbnb I've ever seen. I have filmed next to nothing for this month. Right, Nora? Right? And I feel really bad. I'm gonna do better next month in August. But here's what's been happening. We've been looking at houses. We've seen a bunch of houses. We're gonna keep looking at houses. I went back to work. It's been really awesome. Nora is starting to giggle. She's mad right now because I'm sitting down. Oh, gonna try to get up. We are in Idaho for our anniversary trip. So like tomorrow we're going to the lake and we're just hanging out, doing our thing. Right, Nora? We're just doing our thing. Yeah. Kyle's almost done with his training, so he's gonna be on the street by himself here mid of next month. But other than that, we've been doing the same old, and I haven't filmed any of it, so sorry about that. Happy July. We are headed home from our anniversary trip to Idaho. Nora is a good car sleeper. She's been sleeping this whole time. Actually, we stopped in Sprague to feed her, and I got her up. She was sleeping. I got her up. She ate. And she doesn't like going in her car seat. Like, she's pretty content when she's in her car seat and we're going, but she doesn't like the process of being put in her car seat. And like pretty much before we were like even back on the road, she was already asleep again. So she was sleepy, I guess. But we're gonna go, we're almost home. We're almost to Kittitas. We're gonna get some gas, and then, you know, driving to the east side. I mean, Ellensburg is the east side. Driving more east, driving towards the east. You know, there's just lots of bugs. So my windshield, my poor car is like real gross. There's just like bugs everywhere, and it hasn't had a car wash in like since probably forever, and so it has been in the car wash, but not for a very long time. So we're just gonna get another car wash. My very probably wake her up and scare her, but we'll see. And that's it for July. That's all we got. Like, probably it's like 8 minutes long of nothing. But that's pretty much all we did this month, was nothing. Kyle worked, and then I went back to work, and that was it. Why do you keep doing that, Nora?